Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Among Us werewolf, so let's get started. To draw this cute werewolf skin, let's first start by drawing the visor helmet area. So I'm going to come right here and start with a curve. And I'm going to go right across, all the way over, and then about right here, I'll start to curve it in. I'll bring this down and start to curve it and connect it. So at the bottom right here, flattening out a little bit and then going upwards to connect to create this shape right here. Okay, so then from there we're going to come, say about right here, I'm just going to draw a curve, imagining this coming through for the body, and then you kind of like the center of this visor area, I'm going to come out so a good amount of space, and about right there, give myself a curve, and this is where the body is going to start. Since the top part is pretty simple, let's draw the top first then. Let's go up, and I'm just going to draw a curve around and bring it back down and connect. Okay, so we have that in. Then let's bring this down more to finish drawing the body. And I'm going to say about right here in this area of this helmet visor area, I'm going to come down, say about this much, and I'll give myself a point, and right here I'm just going to draw a soft curve. So this is going to determine where my legs go. So right here, just bring this down and connect. Just going to soften the edges and connect it for the feet, and then let's draw this side. So this side is slightly, it comes in and it's going to be slightly shorter because we are viewing this Among Us at a slight angle. There. Okay, and then the pack, of course. So come to the center of this visor, about right here. Draw a curve and bring it down. And I usually like to bring it down about right here where the legs start and connect. And that is your basic Among Us drawing. Among Us skin, I mean. So then from there, let's make it a werewolf. So we're going to come up here for the ears. So in this corner right here, I'm going to start with a nice big curve. Bring it to a point and curve right back down. So then let's spruce this ear up. So I'm going to come about right here. And we're going to draw the fur around it. So we're going to be drawing a bunch of zigzags. Let's count them for one. Kind of following the ear. Give it another zigzag, like you're drawing flames, I guess. And another pointy zigzag right here. And then we're just going to go up and down, out and in. You know what, let's make it all out. So we're just going to draw these curves that come down. Okay, so then from there, the other ear. So about in this area, once again, kind of the same thing. Draw the inside, which is nice and smooth. And then about right here, I'm going to come out. So this side's going to be thicker. Come out and come to a point. And then about right here, we're going to start to zigzag. And bring it in. There. Now we have the awesome werewolf ears in. And, oh, almost forgot. So about right here, I'm going to say the center of where the head would be right here, the visor area. I'm going to give myself a point, and from here, I'm going to draw a curve going up and then another curve going right across. Actually, this should come out a little bit more. There. Okay, and then that is pretty much it. So let me come in here real quickly with my whiteout pen and clean this part up so you can see a little bit better. Okay, then from there, now that this is the basic hat for the werewolf, I'm going to spruce it up, and you can do that by adding a tail right here. So I'm going to come about right here. I thought it would just be fun to add some more elements to the skin. So about right here, I'm going to add a tail and bring it right in. I really hope you like this addition I'm adding. And then of course right here I'm going to add a werewolf claw. So about in this area, I'll go ahead and just draw the thumb first. So I'm going to curve it, bring it in, and you know what, I'm just going to go across first with this curve right here, so I know what I'm working with. And at the bottom right here, I'm just going to draw some fur. Okay, so then now let's start with the 4 other fingers. So I'm going to come around, give it a loop, and we're going to do the same thing. Up, loop, go up, another loop, and come out, and another loop for the pinky, and bring it right back in. So, and of course, let's add some claws right here, or else it wouldn't be a werewolf, right? So it's so tiny, but hopefully that will work. And then you can add some details in here if you like, to make it more creepy. So they're all done. I really hope you love my version of this werewolf skin from Among Us. And if you do love Among Us characters, please make sure to check out my Among Us playlist, where I've drawn a lot of different skins. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.